Hi, this is Ken with Ken's Jobs LLC. Today I'm going to review the Zmodo EZcam Pro. This product has not been donated and I have not been paid for this review. So the Zmodo EZcam Pro stands by its name. It's easy. I'd say it's trying to compete with cameras like the Nest Cam Indoors, Logitech Circle Corded, and Arlo Q. In the box you'll find a 1080p Zmodo EZcam Pro, screws with wall anchors if you want to mount it to the wall, and a 5-volt 2-amp micro USB plug. The Zmodo EZcam Pro has Nightvision, two-way audio, motion alerts, cloud recording, 256-bit encryption, and uses 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The Zmodo EZcam Pro retails for around $40. For this review I bought one straight from Zmodo's website. The first issue that raised questions is the website says the camera has a view of 115 degrees. When I received the EZcam Pro in the mail, it said 120 degree viewing angle on the label. So which is it? I have no clue because I wasn't going to waste my time researching something that wasn't that important to me. While it's not a big issue for me, Zmodo needs to properly mark their packaging or internet site, as some may find this misleading. Other than the viewing angle mislabeling, I haven't had any complaints for the quality to price factor. The build feels sturdy on the EZcam Pro. The EZcam Pro can stand free or it can be mounted to the wall using 3 holes at the base of the camera. For this review I just set it on my fire mantle, and it really doesn't stand out much other than the power cord. The camera is easy to set up through the Zmodo app, available on Android and Apple. The Zmodo app offers a lot of options like motion alert controls, zone selection for motion alerts, easy sharing features, volume control, playback and recording features, cloud features, and frame rate controls. Using the Zmodo EZcam Pro with the Zmodo app worked great. I have no complaints. I didn't experience any video lag issues with or without a Zmodo Beam Wi-Fi extender. Even set at the lowest frame rate, the app delivered useful alerts that I could see in a timely manner. With the free alerts stored for 36 hours, it removed my need to pay for the cloud service. If you want 24/7 recording, you will need to purchase the cloud service. Cloud service seemed very reasonably priced compared to most competitors. Video quality is great for the price. For this review I only tested video stream at 10 frames per second, and I felt it was very good quality day and night. If you factor in that is 1/3 to 1/4 the price of its competitors, I feel this offers a lot of bang for the buck. Volume is good on the EZcam Pro speaker and my phone while watching live. I found it very easy and convenient to talk with my family while I wasn't home through the EZcam Pro. The only issue I had with the audio is that it gets kind of quiet once I record through the app, as you'll see in my review test videos. Not a deal breaker, but could be improved. Here's a few videos I took directly from the Zmodo EZcam Pro. This is the Zmodo EZcam Pro without a Zmodo Beam Wi-Fi extender. This is the Zmodo EZcam Pro using a Zmodo Beam Wi-Fi extender. The Zmodo EZcam Pro is a simple to use all-in-one indoor camera. While I can't personally recommend these style cameras to replace professional grade camera systems, the Zmodo EZcam Pro is a cheap solution for people who want to keep an eye on their home, loved ones, and pets while they are away. With two-way audio, good video quality, and a $40 price tag, it makes a great deal for the simplicity and options it offers. I'm taking 1 point off for the lack of 5 GHz Wi-Fi, although I had no issues because of it. I'm also taking off 1 point for the mislabeling and recording audio issues. So I'm giving the Zmodo EZcam Pro an 8 out of 10. I definitely recommend trying the Zmodo EZcam Pro if you're looking for a cheap, simple way to watch your home indoors. Thanks for watching our videos. Check out our website at kensjobs.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for other product unboxing, installation, and review videos.